Hi Gemini, welcome back to Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, please consider supporting the channel by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. By doing so, you will also be eligible for monthly giveaway reading, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month. If this message doesn't resonate with you, Gemini, please consider checking your moon or your rising or your Venus sign, as this is going to be a general collective energy reading for the month of August. It may or may not resonate with every single Gemini out there. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into your reading. So your current energy for the month of August here, Gemini, is being represented with taking steps. And the overall message that I've got for you here for the month of August is true love, which is quite a good card to get. So I do feel like the major event that is basically going to take place in the month of August for you here, Gemini, is basically taking the steps, or like this taking step to finding your true love. This could actually be your soulmate connection or your twin flame connection here. But with this true love card, I'm definitely sensing that you could actually be either be meeting your twin flame or your true soulmate here. If not, this is basically an indication towards me that is going to be a union with your true love here. And the next card that I've got for you here, wow, I've got happy success coming up for you here as well, Gemini, here, and increase. So there is definitely an indication towards me an increasing or an increase of chance coming up in your way here on meeting your twin flame or meeting your soulmate, basically meeting your true love coming up strongly here, Gemini. And I do feel like for the month of August, this is basically going to be a month full of realization. This is basically an indication towards me that you're going to go through lots of self-realization coming up here. This is basically that you are being advised, instead of rushing into things, be it a job related situation, or be it a job related situation, or even like a romantic relationship here, instead of just rushing into it here, you're basically being advised here to take baby step coming up here, Gemini. And with this true love card, this doesn't have to be regarding a love only. This could actually be like finding your true passion, finding your true love in doing things that you love. Yeah, this could actually be an indication of getting a promotion or getting a job that you've been wanting to do here, or even like integrating your hobby into a business kind of figure I'm getting here, Gemini. All right, so without further ado, let's get into your reading. The first card that I've got for you here is Ace of Wands, and I've got followed by the Eight of Pentacles, as well as the Six of Wands card coming up here. With the bottom of the deck I've got for you here is the Queen of Pentacles. So you could be dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn here, or as well as a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So with this Ace of Wands card, what I'm getting for you here, Gemini, here is that I'm definitely sensing the enlightenment or the awakening here. I do feel like this past few months you basically have gone through a lot of spiritual awakening, or lots of enlightenment coming up here. So with this month of August, I do feel like you're going to take step into the new you're basically going to take into this new step of realizing your self-worth, realizing what you've been wanting out of life here. That kind of energy coming up here with this Ace of Wands. This is also an indication towards me a new beginning is basically going to come towards you in the month of August here. Basically all this thing that's been confusing you, or all this thing that like you've been thinking back and forth about, be it a romantic relationship, or even a career related situation, or a job related situation here. There's basically a lot of new aha moment that you're going to get here in the month of August. And with this Eight of Pentacles energy, I'm definitely sensing like the month of August will be the month that you're going to give back to yourself coming up strongly. The Eight of Pentacles, you could actually be focusing on your work, could be actually focusing on integrating your hobby into a business here. As you can see here, this is someone who's actually working hard of achieving their dream, working hard on building up their finances, building up their career, as well as building up building up themselves here. And whatever you're basically doing here, or whatever you've been wanting to do here, again in all area of life here, with this Six of Wands card, I'm definitely getting the victorious movement, or victorious, or like basically victorious outcome will be there in your life coming up here strongly, Gemini. And with this Queen of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck, the message that I've got for you here is that I do feel like the month of August is time for you to actually just step back for a minute and just watch all your manifestation, all your dreams, basically everything that has been working off. You're basically just waiting and see things falling into places. That kind of energy I'm getting here with this Queen of Pentacles. As you can see here, this lady is just sitting there relaxed, chilling, without having any worry within herself here, because she knows that whatever that she's doing, whatever that she's been dreaming here, everything is on the divine hand. Everything is just going to fall naturally coming up here. So this is how you are being suggested to move into the month of August and throughout the month of August coming up here, Gemini. And I've got the Star card coming up for you. You could be dealing with an Aquarius or someone with a strong Aquarius in their chart. I've got King of Swords coming up here, as well as Eight of Pentacles. Wow, I've got Eight of Pentacles coming up twice. So this is definitely an indication towards me. The month of August here is definitely going to this is definitely going to be a month where all this hard work that have been putting towards yourself, towards your career, towards your relationship here, this is basically you're going to reap out everything that has been putting out there here, Gemini. This is basically a really good card to get, because as you can see here, both of these figures just working hard within themselves. I'm also sensing that you're going to get unexpected money, or the money flowing for the month of August will not be a concern coming up here as well, Gemini. With this Star card and the King of Swords coming up here, I'm sensing that you could be dealing with another air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini coming up here. But with this 2 card coming up, this is where I'm getting that it's time for you that all the things that have been putting work for yourself, basically everything that have been putting your intention, basically have been putting your thoughts, basically have been putting your manifestation, as well as good energy coming up here. With this King of Swords, as you can see here, this person is just like sitting there and reflecting back to the old days here. And I do feel like this is how you're going to look for throughout the month of August here. This is like basically you're going to look back on your journal and just see, okay, wow, this is what I've been manifesting, and here it is, like that kind of energy I'm getting here. And I've got the 9 of Pentacles coming up for you. This is basically an indication towards me that this is your wish fulfillment card coming up here. This is where you're basically reaping out all your success. As you can see here, from the 8 of Pentacles we are moving to the 9 of Pentacles coming up here. So all this time that you've been spending on worrying, all this time that you've been getting anxiety within yourself with this 9 of Swords energy, like all those days basically already gone, and you can actually sit down and reflecting back and basically thank the universe or thank the divine here on how basically all your wishes and everything that basically turn out to be victorious and positive here, Gemini. And with this 9 of Pentacles energy, I'm definitely sensing that there is going to be a lot of unexpected money coming up towards you here. This could be actually a this could actually be from your work situation here. For those of you who have been unemployed for this past few months due to this pandemic, I do feel like you're going to get a call, a job interview call, or basically a call from your manager here and ask you to come back to work for them. Could also be an indication towards me that you will be finding some new way to earn money, either from your hobby or from some kind of things that you kind of like really love doing here. This actually going to start giving you money. That kind of energy I'm getting here as well, Gemini. And I've got the 6 of Cups coming up for you, which is an indication towards me a return of a soulmate or the return of true love coming up here, which is again the reconciliation card coming up strongly here as well. Wow, I've got the 6 of Cups coming up here again. So I've got 2 6 of Cups coming up here, which is an indication of a very strong reconciliation card. And with this 9 of Swords energy coming up here twice, this is where basically like all this all this anxiety, all this trouble sleeping, all this worrying is basically you have decided to put everything in the past and just like ready to move on into the future. That kind of energy I'm getting here strongly, Gemini. All right, let's close up the reading with one oracle card for you, as the guidance message I've got here is the possibility card coming up here. Raise your standard, elevate your expectation, you have unlimited potential. So this is what I mean earlier. It's time for you to actually realizing your true potential, and I do feel like you're going to look the month of August with full of hope of new possibilities, of new opportunities coming up for you here. And I've got growth as well as the overall card coming up here. So definitely the month of August is going to be the month for lots of self-growth, relationship growth, as well as career growth coming up strongly here, Gemini. All right, so that's it for your August monthly reading. I hope the reading resonates. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section. I will see you guys in my next video. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.